There are various ways to improve your edits. For instance, taking inspiration from one edit and implementing those ideas to your edit may improve it, though it depends on how you use those ideas. Willing to develop your creativity? You could remake an edit of your choice and break down each frame. Think about what effects are used and how they are used. Ask yourself questions like, what type of graph does this Twixtor use? Do I really need S-shake, or can I create this manually using keyframes? Is my sequence frame rate matching the original? Though you should consider that before anything, otherwise there will be problems. It's good practice for both beginners and experienced editors. Even I'm currently working on a remake. It's a nightmare, but worth experiencing. Here's another. Quality. Quality as in where you obtain your clips from. Is it from YouTube, where clips become compressed once uploaded? Is the frame rate inconsistent? Perhaps it's been modified, resulting in duplicate frames. Wherever your clips are from, their settings should match or be as close as they can to the original. Clips from animation will almost always be in 24 frames per second. You can check this by right-clicking on the file and heading over to its properties, or right-clicking on a video and selecting stats for nerds. Resolution, however, is variable. Older shows are difficult to obtain in higher resolutions, but most modern shows are in 1920 by 1080p. Perhaps 4K if it's a film. Unfortunately, some people do enjoy publishing clips in 720p, which appears to be a common choice, even if it says 1080p, which it is not. Lots of information I'm spitting out, so let me condense this. Step 1. Obtain clips that are the most raw, not 60 frames per second and upscaled with subtitles type of clips that's no good. If it doesn't look high quality, it probably isn't high quality. Step 2. That's all. I mean, some of you may want to use raw episodes rather than clips. Using raw episodes is the best option, but importing them is not easy. You cannot use this type of file formats called .mkv in Premiere Pro, which is why Handbrake exists, leading onto my third point. Here I have an episode. It's uncompressed and incompatible with Premiere Pro. I can't edit. However, I can use Handbrake to do the following. Convert the episode to .mp4 without losing any quality, though the file size will be large. But I can avoid this by exporting a specific scene instead by using the timestamp option, meaning I can use high quality clips whilst maintaining a low file size that is compatible with Premiere Pro. How easy was that? Just drag the episode into Handbrake and import the preset I specifically made for editors, if you want good quality of course. Choose your timestamp if you want to pick out a particular scene from the episode. Select the output where you want it to be saved and replace .mkv with .mp4. Hit start encode and edit. Pretty simple. I assume you post on Instagram, which most editors do. Don't post from the app or website directly anymore, and instead use Creator Studio for Instagram. In short, posting the normal way ruins the quality of videos. It sort of looks like this, but posting it from the Creator Studio publishes the content at its best quality. Ever wondered how editors like this post their edits in high definition? That's how. I believe you also need to create a Facebook account. Recently they've changed the requirements, but the method and everything and all the information is available on this specific website, which I will link below. I can't explain everything here because it'll take forever, but there are tutorials already out there which may be useful to you. Believe it or not, you can reduce warp on your Twixtor for free using a software called Flowframes. Most commonly used by editors who use this smooth style, whatever it's called, but of course anyone can use it, especially on clips that are difficult to Twixtor and contain a ton of detail. I will make a full guide on how to use it soon, but in the meantime you can check out tutorials that already exist if you hate waiting, but it really does make a huge difference. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Peace.